Welcome to ICT4FAMERS mobile application. If you need to manage your farm in one easy-to-use solution, then you have come to the right place. If you are searching for a software to help you to keep your workers' database, schedule your farm activities, keep your farm records, monitor your workers, consult experts, get updates about trending pests and diseases with their solutions, farmers community, farmers marketplace, and a toll-free call center to make your farming more efficient, ICT4FAMERS mobile application is the right solution for you. ICT4FAMERS software is available on both mobile and web platforms, meaning you can manage your farm from anywhere at any time. Now that you know what ICT4FAMERS software can do for you, you're good to go. Visit your ICT4FAMERS web dashboard on app.umfeicit4farmers.org or download the ICT4FAMERS mobile application now on Google Play Store.